short due to severe weather. I didn't feel like spending 8 days in thunderstorms. All in all, though, it was still a good trip. It was great. Gotta get a new tarp, though. That one got beat up pretty bad. We had some strong winds and a lot of rain. It was still fun, though. Got to see some nice things. Beautiful lakes, a couple loons, some beavers. So, here's the video. Hey everyone, we're here at the Western Uplands trail. We're in the parking lot, just getting ready to head out. Got my rain gear out, it rained the whole way here. You can see in the back there. The pack is ready for rain. It's all covered up. Gonna clip my stove onto the front, throw it on, and get ready to head out. Gonna be a good trip. Love it. See you later. At the bridge over the Ox Tongue River. Say bye-bye. Beautiful little stretch. See you guys at the split. Alright guys, we're here at the trail split. Bugs are thick. See all these little buggers flying around? Hundreds of them. Mucky, wet. That's what we're dealing with. It's one way. That's the way I'm going. Yeah, it's a sloppy mess today. Let's carry on. Following the blue path for the first little bit. First deadfall. But somebody's already come through and cleared it. So far, it's been pretty mucky. Still really buggy. Humid as all hell. As you can tell, I'm like a honey glazed donut. Not bad though. Beautiful day still. The rain is almost a relief. Even though it's humid, those cold raindrops feel great. Well, went uphill for a while. First set of hills. Now we're heading back down. So check it out, there's something else to take a look at. Past a boardwalk. Nothing too interesting, so take pictures of the one at Guskewau when I come back around through the other way. See you in a bit. Here it is, the famous Algonquin Western Uplands Trail, Beaver Dam. I'm a good 6'4", and I bet you that's at least 7 or 8 feet tall. Just awesome. At the bridge, nice little area, nice scenery, prime moose habitat. Thought I saw one way over there. The bush right there in the middle just had a brown patch. Tricked me. Still, great view. Nothing beats the Northern Ontario scenery. Doesn't look like it. Decent side slide. Sure is slick. I think I got the poles. Well, still raining. Really under the tarp now. It's coming down good. Just waiting for my water to boil once it's done purifying and make my food. Wanted to kind of show you guys it, but I'm not getting the tripod out in this stuff. It's another good boom. Had a few. It's like non-stop thunder. I feel like Garth Brooks. Thunder rolls. It's a stream. Food's almost ready anyway. Lovely, lovely, day one. Alright, it stopped raining now, so I'll show you around a bit. Got the hammock all set up. About to go lay in it and just relax. Nice and early still. Sun's starting to go down. Go get a view of the lake too. Food was good. Ate pasta. Didn't get a chance to make much else. The rain came fast. It thunderstormed and poured for a bit. But here's the hammock. Everything's all tucked away under there. Bam. Home sweet home. I love it. Not far from the lake. And we'll head over here. It's a better view. Not a bad campsite. Really can't complain. Really wide open. Anyone that's got a tent, or a few friends with tents. It's Maple Leaf, I think it's the second one. I like it, but I like anywhere here. This is the money shots. That's about as Canadian Father's Day present you could get in Algonquin. 3 beavers in 1 pond, 20 feet away from your hammock. Not bad at all. If there wasn't so much brush there, I'd be able to see them right from the hammock. Had to get up just to go see what it was. There's 3 of them over there. There's one there. One there. And the other one over there. Alright, time to do a solid. We get to do one in luxury. As luxury as it is out here anyway. Even has a roof. Should we? Nah, let's not. Beautiful, isn't it? Just love it. I just get to lay back, all cozy, bug free. Like a tent. I got all kinds of room. It's not even against my face. Got all kinds of room. Love it. My feet are pretty much towards one side. All kinds of room. That's why you make them for yourself. You get exactly what you want. Had another thunderstorm again, of course, when I wanted to go have a fire. So no fire tonight. I'm just sitting here away from the skeeters and relax, watch the sunset. It's literally a nice direction that way. I'll be able to sit here and go to sleep to it. So, see you guys tomorrow. We'll be heading over to Maggie East. Another short hike. And then after that we're going to Clara. So see you guys tomorrow. Cool morning today. Started day 2. How's that for a moose print? Not bad. It's my size 12 beside it. Jeez, that's a massive moose print. A lot of people say they don't like using poles, but you know what? They come handy when you got a cross crap like this. Piece of cake, except the mosquitoes biting me as I'm filming. I heard something leave the water over there. By the time I got to the hill to where I could actually see, it's gone. Sounded big, but can't say what it was. I didn't see it. This little waterfall. It's actually pretty big. Roaring right down the whole side of the hill. Crossed all those boulders. So if you're going clockwise on the big loop on the Western Uplands trail, right after you pass Hardy Lake, come to this nice section. Gorgeous stream. Nice little creek. And if you look, it's literally sheer cliffs all the way up. It's a good 50 feet at least. Even this side we got some massive boulders, a nice rock wall ledge. So now trail's going along the creek here. Loving it. I'm glad I took shorter hikes. Makes it enjoyable, keeps it a vacation. Does not feel like work at all. Except all these damn mosquitoes. But that's the woods. Just look at all that beautifulness. They don't call it God's country for no reason. There's a nice breeze coming off the lake, so I'm gonna have a break here, chow down some food, rest up for a couple minutes and keep going. Only want to stop because there's no mosquitoes here with this breeze. Win-win. And I guess this is why they call it Steep Rise Lake. It's a drop right down. Probably hard to tell on the camera, but that's the gentle slope. Here is almost like a cliff. That's straight. There's about a 45-degree angle looking down. And that's straight down. Nice view though from up here. Well, finally here at Maggie's. It's a double campsite. Really spacious. Nice view. The wind's coming down the lake. It could have stayed on the side, but I kind of want the wind. Drive these skeeters away. It's not that cold out. Last night was fine. Cold. That breeze feels good. I had to keep my long sleeves on just because they were so thick. I was literally surrounded by a cloud of mosquitoes non-stop. But here's my view for the night. I'm gonna hang my hammock right between this tree and that tree. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Oh, another night looking out at the lake. Got a little clearer view this time.
Might put my emergency blanket underneath just because it is pretty windy. Who knows? Maybe I'll pull out the tripod. See a little setup. Let me think about it while I have a snack. Then here's just my pasta. It's just the shell pasta. And I got dehydrated green and red peppers in there. So as that cooks, it'll all thaw out. Once that's done cooking, I'll dump out the extra water far away from camp in a hole that I dig somewhere. And then my sauce in the cup, I separate it out to portion sizes after I dehydrate it. And it takes about a quarter cup of water. So a quarter cup of water, I'll pour in there hot from the first batch of water I purify. I'll let that sit for a while. It takes a good 20 minutes. Then I'll purify some more water while it's sitting. And I think these are just about done. Almost. Not quite. And then after I dump out majority of this water, all I'm going to do is dump the sauce in. I'm telling you, it is good. I love it. You can spice your sauce however you want at home. And it dehydrates and rehydrates perfectly. Had to build a little fire pit too. It's so dang windy coming off that lake. I'm going to wait till tonight. If it keeps up this windy, then I'm probably just going to do the small loop and cut it short. I know we're expecting about 3 days worth of rain coming up. It's supposed to have 2 days of good if it stays. Not too shabby for a camp meal. Yummy, yum, yum. Good. Well, here we are again, lounging in the hammock. Just relaxing. It's nice. Not bad. I got a view of the rock point barely over my feet. Got a nice little cliff edge along the ways over there. Fallen tree that blocked the trail. Looks kind of cool. Gotta love those views. I'm loving it. The wind's still going crazy though. This is the calmest it's been yet. So, see what happens. Nice weather now though. It's not raining anymore. Sun's been out pretty well all day. Except you're in the middle of the woods, so you get none of it. First day, saw 5 groups of hikers. Day 2 today, none. What can you do? I like it alone though. Surprised. Thought it'd be a little busier, but it's not the weekend, so came here and started on Father's Day and still going. See you tomorrow. See, this is the bug net I was talking about. It's not bad. straps, both sides. Everything stays tight, like a dang beekeeper. I don't even have my boonie hat on, but my hood keeps them away from my face so the net's not right against me. Except now they're eating my hands. Recording the time lapse, then going to bed. Ciao. Well, just ran into another camper coming back. He was going to do the big loop too. Got up to Clara last night. That was the second night. He decided to turn around. He's got a satellite phone that has the weather on it, and he said there's a major system coming in. So tonight's gonna get windy if it doesn't pour. And about 3 days after that, they're calling for solid rain and thunderstorms. So we're gonna head on back to the car, unfortunately. I really don't feel like sitting in 4 days of thunderstorms and high winds. Had nothing but high winds so far. It's just been miserable, but still enjoyable. Just wish the wind would let up and the rain would screw off. Scenery like this that makes Algonquin worth the while. Damn mosquitoes. No moose though. Lots of prints everywhere, but I haven't seen one. Nice little bridge. Let's see if there's anything down here. Made a little friend on the trail. Jump, little dude. Jump. Lucky I saw you. You're only the size of my thumbnail. I would have squished you. Practically carved the thing out. That's awesome. No trip in Algonquin's complete without seeing this. Poopies! Definitely something in the area. Bedding area must be somewhere around here. I just passed a pile, then I found this one. Another one right there. Another one there. More over here on this side of the trail. I found the moose toilet. The Algonquin Wildlife Toilet. Well, here it is. Where I should have been coming out. Second loop sign with the map underneath it. That way's Thunder Lake. I know that, I've been that way before. Thunder Lake is beautiful. But I'm gonna make a push to Guskewau, see how I feel at Guskewau, and if I still feel good, I'm just gonna go to the parking lot. Which means I went from Maggie east all the way around to the parking lot. Pretty insane. Looks a lot different than it does in the fall. Nonetheless, still beautiful. It's Guskewau Lake, Guskewau Creek. Ah, I love it here. I was debating if I was going to stop here one last night or not, but you know what? I'm going to head back to the parking lot and kill it.
That means I went all the way from Maggie East, all the way around the first loop back to the parking lot. Freaking Terminatored it. Feel it though.